Hey guys, it's me Adiba. Watch my interview with Nandini Roy only on Filmy Mantra. We've had lots of fun, and to see that, you'll have to watch the interview. Bye bye.
कि सलमान खान के साथ काम करके कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. He's very nice and on set तो सब लोग ही अच्छे थे. They all were like doing मस्ती and साथ में work भी कर रहे. Even Akshay sir was also very nice. Yeah, we were always doing jokes, playing games. So Sunny sir, I was more close to Sunny sir. Maybe he didn't have a daughter, so he was like really caring. Bobby sir, so he would always give me high fives.
I like that.
Yeah, he's very cool.
What did you learn from Tejasvi Prakash from Nagin?
She's very nice. She's very bubbly, I would say.
No?
Yeah.
All right. Since you want to pursue your career in Bollywood, who is that actor that you want to work with?
I would say Shah Rukh Khan and all the Khans actors.
Last vacation कहाँ किया था?
I would say Sikandar के set पे. Sometimes mud, sometimes Film City.
Hello everybody, this is me Nandini Roy. You're watching me on Get Candid with Nandini Roy only on Filmy Mantra. Today I have a beautiful soul with me. Well, it's Adiba Hussain. We saw her impeccable performance in films like Airlift with Akshay Kumar, Sikandar with Salman Khan, and she has done more than 250 ad films, and she has also shown her talent of acting in daily soaps. Well, let's give her a big round of applause and let's dive deep into her life. Let's welcome Adiba Hussain. So, a warm welcome to you,
Hello.
Adiba, to my show Get Candid with Nandini Roy, powered by Filmy Mantra. You are looking very cute.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very excited.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god, everybody was talking about that viral picture, you know.
The
You
whole-
with Salman Khan, you celebrated Holi. I want to know more about the background. How was your Holi with Mr. Khan?
It was wonderful. We had lots of fun. We played with colors, eco colors, of course. And then we had lots of sweets. Yeah.
And what else did you eat?
We ate this pineapple ka halwa and it was too good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the biryani?
Yeah. My favorite.
हाँ?
Yeah.
और सलमान ने आपको कितने कलर्स लगाए और क्या बातें की आपसे?
Like he was appreciating my work. वो बोले थे कि आपने बहुत अच्छा किया. And in fact, during shooting, he gave me most of the lines. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. So I had little lines and he exaggerated them and gave it to me.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that was really great. He's very nice.
So Sikandar movie is doing so well and you have done so beautifully. I love your acting in that
Thank you.
film.
Thank you so much.
So how fortunate do you feel? आपको कैसा लगा सिकंदर में काम करके? सलमान खान के साथ काम करके कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. He's very nice and on set तो सब लोग ही अच्छे थे. They
Yeah.
all were like doing मस्ती and साथ में work भी कर रहे थे. Yeah.
तो सलमान खान ने आपको कोई एडवाइस दी?
हाँ, उन्होंने बोला था कि continue your education, don't leave that and उसके साथ में do some extra activities like dancing, swimming, gymnastics.
हाँ, अच्छा
Yeah.
जिम्नास्टिक करती हैं?
हाँ जी.
Oh wow.
I even do capoeira.
अच्छा.
Yeah, so it's a Brazilian martial art.
So अगर मैं कहूँ आपको कि सलमान खान को आप एक शब्द में अगर बताएं, you know, if you describe him in one word.
I don't think there's a word in the dictionary to describe him. He's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, very kind.
Very kind.
Yeah.
Did he tell you कि आगे और भी फिल्म साथ में करेंगे?
I'll not reveal that. Right
Ah, मतलब something is coming
Something.
up. So Adiba, I really want you to tell me the entire journey. Like शुरू से शुरुआत करते हैं. आप
ठीक है.
बहुत छोटी हैं मुझे पता है.
हाँ.
तो आपकी शुरुआती कुछ बहुत लंबी नहीं होगी. तो हम शुरू से शुरुआत करते हैं.
Okay.
Your childhood, where are you from? What are your hobbies?
ठीक है. So let's start from the beginning.
Yeah.
I was like, when I started this, I was around 3. That's what my parents told me because I don't remember anything. So we started for auditioning for ads and I got locked for the first time. Like we tried it and I got locked for Santur. And then after that, they took auditions of lot of girls for Airlift as Akshay Kumar's daughter and I was selected.
Simran.
Yeah, Simran Katyal. Then we went to shoot it in Dubai. Yeah, Rashil Khema, and it was wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah, and even Akshay sir was also very nice. Yeah, we were always doing jokes, playing games.
What kind of games and what kind of jokes does he crack? I know he
Like-
plays a lot of pranks. So आपके साथ क्या joke
I
किया?
don't remember.
No?
No. I remember playing games with him.
What game?
Stone, paper, scissors mainly. Like,
Oh.
mostly, that there was this game where he used to lift me up and throw me in the air and
Who?
catch me. Yeah.
Who?
Yeah, that was really fun.
अच्छा अच्छा, tell me one thing. अक्षय कुमार हम सब जानते हैं that he is a fitness freak
Yeah.
and a disciplined person. And आज जो अक्षय कुमार है वो अपने discipline की वजह से हैं. आपने अक्षय कुमार से क्या सीखा? आपको क्या लगता है उनसे क्या attributes आप चुरा लें और अपने में inculcate कर लें?
I think stay fit.
Stay fit.
Yeah, work out, eat healthy. Yeah.
उन्होंने कुछ खाना खिलाया क्या? उनके घर से कुछ
हाँ.
खाना है?
नहीं, उन्होंने मेरे को fruits दिए बहुत सारे. And he told me to eat healthy food.
हाँ. अच्छा, सिकंदर के सेट पे सलमान खान के घर से खाना आता था क्या?
Yes, उनका एक being hungry का ट्रक था तो वहाँ से खाना आता था.
क्या होता था खाने में?
So there was prawns curry, fish, chicken,
Oh, wow.
biryani.
What do you like the most? Like the most delicious?
Biryani.
Biryani.
Yeah, I love biryani. I can eat it every day. Yeah.
अच्छा, खाने की तो बहुत बात कर ली हमने. हमें पता है सलमान खान के घर से बहुत अच्छे खाने आते हैं. लाइक बिग बॉस में भी काफी कंटेस्टेंट जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं, they have told me that amazing food.
Amazing.
अच्छा,
Really.
सिकंदर आपको फिल्म मिली कैसे?
Well, we gave an audition, and you know, A.R. Murugadoss sir, the director, he loved
Fab.
me for the character of Asha.
Okay.
Yeah, so when he saw me, he's like, "You look just like my daughter." Yeah, and
so
he's
sweet.
very sweet. So he would often call me like during scenes, "Do you want chocolate?" And I was like, "Yes, I love chocolate," and I would eat chocolate.
Yeah. And I heard आपका exam था Ozan.
Yeah, I was doing my 9 final exams.
Yeah.
So during that, they arranged me a separate vanity.
Sajiv,
Yeah,
Naryadwala.
Sajid sir and Varda ma'am. So they arranged a separate vanity for me, so I could sit back and go through everything, study.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so good, yeah.
True.
मतलब you were surrounded by good people.
Exactly.
है ना?
Yeah, touch wood.
Touch wood, touch wood. Now back to Adiba's journey, okay? अभी आप बताइए अपनी journey के बारे में.
So after Airlift, I did Indhu Sarkar, directed by Madhur Bhandarkar sir. Yeah, so in that I was playing a protagonist role.
How was the experience?
Experience was nice. Madhur Bhandarkar sir was always appreciating me. Yeah, he was
Saying
like, "You're
what?
very good." He's like, "Very good, keep it up, and do studies, of course." So everyone I've ever met, they always said that do your education too,
And
because it's really important.
yeah,
And continue this. Don't leave the industry.
education in
Yeah.
between. Yeah, yeah. But I guess you have been lucky because I know I met your parents and they are very, very supportive of
Yeah.
you. You know, that's a rare quality that, people have, especially with a daughter. Matlab, abhi to things have changed.
Changed, but
But yeah. So tell me one thing, who are you more closer to? Is it your dad or is it your mom?
I wouldn't say my dad.
Dad?
Yeah.
Okay. Why would you say that?
Because sometimes mama gets a little angry, but Dada never gets angry. He's like, "Okay, do whatever you want to do."
I heard she's a Leo, and Leos, even you are a Leo.
Yeah,
I'm a Leo. So we Leos are
Dominating a little.
dominating, controlling, fiery,
Dooley.
but also very tender at heart. Huh?
Very kind.
Yeah, we are the most misunderstood people. You know that?
Exactly. People should know that.
Yeah, yeah. So you should give more time to your mama.
Yeah.
What is that one quality you love in your mama?
Everything. She's very nice. She's always caring.
Yeah.
She's like, "Beta, ye kha lo, ye kha lo." Then even education, like mama only teaches me everything.
Yeah?
Yeah. Maths, physics, everything. Mama takes care of it.
Lovely. And what about your dad? What is the one good quality that you really, really look up to in your dad?
He's very fun and cool.
Fun and cool.
Yeah.
Like a cool daddy.
Cool dad.
Daddy cool.
Yeah. Exactly.
All right. So, were you always this confident, or with time, with your journey, did your parents or did you also kind of worked on yourself?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah. How did you work on your personality?
I mean, like while doing shoots, you get to meet a lot of people.
Yeah.
So you do the interactions between. So yeah, that's how.
Yeah. Okay. What is your biggest strength?
I would say my family.
Family.
Yeah.
Your parents.
Yeah, my parents, my sister.
Yeah, sister. Your
Yeah.
sister also.
Yeah.
Oh, is she elder?
No, she's younger. She's 5.
What's her name?
Alaina.
Alaina. I love these fancy names that you guys have, huh?
Yeah, thanks.
Alaina and Adiba.
Powerful names.
Powerful names and powerful girls.
Exactly.
So being a Leo, I think we are rulers and we're going to rule. And you're already ruling
Yeah.
at such a,
Young age.
young
Yeah.
age. So really, really proud of you.
Thank you.
Okay. You also worked with the Deos
Yeah.
who are ruling,
For Yamla Pagla Devana,
Phir
Phir Se.
se, yeah. What was that experience?
That experience was also truly good. It was amazing. And Sunny sir was really nice. He was always like playing. He's like, "Beta, aap kaise ho? Main theek hu." Yeah.
And Bobby?
He's also cool. He would give high fives whenever we would meet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Dharmendra ji?
He's very sweet. He wouldn't talk much. He's quite old. But still, he would always, pinch my cheek, give me blessings every time we would meet.
Yeah. Okay, let's talk about your film Yamla Pagla Divana phir se.
Well, the experience was good.
Yeah.
All the 3 days were amazing. So Sunny sir, I was more close to Sunny sir. Maybe he didn't have a daughter, so he was like really caring. So whenever there used to be lunch breaks, he would always call me. He's like, "Putter, aaja, hum bhi khate saath mein."
अच्छा,
Yeah.
क्या खाते?
Paratha, aloo paratha. Yeah.
The real Punjabis,
Yes,
na?
the proper Punjabi paratha.
कैसे पराठे? आलू पराठा?
Aloo paratha, mote mote.
Oh, with makhan
Yeah,
and curd,
dahi, yeah.
achar. Oh, lovely.
Yeah, and he would give me chocolates. He was like, "Beta, आप कैसे हो? आपको क्या करना है future में?"
Yeah.
And he's like, "How is your education going?" And then whenever we used to meet with Bobby sir, so he would always give me high fives.
Ah, I like that.
Yeah, he's very cool.
He's very cool.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So these people have really, really cared.
Yeah, everyone I've met is really nice.
Very caring.
Yeah.
So your experience overall working with these biggest superstars
Was great.
was great.
Yeah.
So good, yeah. Yeah. कोई ऐसा experience किसी के साथ काम करने का कि थोड़ा मजा नहीं आया?
No, ऐसा तो किसी के साथ नहीं था. सबके साथ अच्छा था.
10 on 10.
10 on 10. Actually, 100 on 10.
Now moving on to your film Starfish. हाँ,
Yeah.
खुशहाली. What was that experience? आपने उनके बचपने का किरदार निभाया था
हाँ.
उसमें, है ना?
Yeah. So we were shooting for the scene where my parents are fighting, and that day I met Khushali Di, and I was like, "Hi, how are you?" And she's like, "I'm good. How are you? You're playing my younger version." I was like, "Yeah, you know." And she's like, "Yeah, I only finaled you."
अच्छा, she only
Yeah,
finalized you.
Because we look very similar, no? The face.
Yeah.
Yeah. So she's like, "I really like your face, and you're very cute." So that's why.
And I heard that she shared her food with
Yeah,
you and
her
protein
food.
bars.
Yeah.
What is that story?
She gave me some chocolates, protein bars, those protein cookies.
Lovely. So what did you learn from Khushali? I know Khushali is very beautiful and very
beautiful.
confident.
I love her fashion.
Fashion, na?
Yeah.
I also love the way she dressed up in the film, na?
Yeah.
So fashionable.
Fashionable, very trendy.
Yeah, very trendy. कपड़े बहुत अच्छे पहने खुशहाली ने.
Even the swimming part.
Yeah. अच्छा, फिल्मों की तो बहुत बात कर ली. और मैंने देखा है कि आपने कुछ बहुत बेहतरीन सीरियल्स किए हैं.
हाँ.
Jelly soaps like Nagin.
Nagin.
And
I've done Ranju Ki Betya, Brahma Rakshas too.
Yes. How is working in daily soaps
It's nice.
different from working in Bollywood?
Well, like in Bollywood, you're doing for films and it's like very quick. But if you see in daily soaps, it's very nice. You get to learn a lot.
Yeah. Like what? What did you learn?
Like acting. So there are like so many co-actors. You get to learn from a little bit from everything. And then everyone's like, do your best, keep your education going, do this, do that. And then you grasp some new things, new ideas from people.
What did you learn from Tejasvi Prakash, from Nagin?
She's very nice. She's very bubbly, I would say.
Huh?
Yeah. So whenever we would meet, she's like, "Hi, how are you?" I'm like, "Good, how are you?"
Lovely. You have already had a lot of exposure, right? You have worked with a lot of big celebs. Now, how do you want to be an actress? Do you want to go further with this acting?
Yes, of course.
Yes?
Yeah.
ऐसी क्या बात है कि आपको एक्टिंग में इतना रुझान है, इतना इंक्लिनेशन है?
I just love the life of Bollywood stars. Yeah. Yeah, I love acting. Like whenever I'm shooting, it hypes my mood. I get really active.
Yeah. But Bollywood stars की life जितनी अच्छी लगती है, थोड़ी खराब भी होती है. Like we all have life is like a graph, right? Similarly, Bollywood में भी अगर एक दिन stardom है, तो एक दिन flops भी हैं.
हाँ.
So are you mentally ready to navigate, through this journey?
I mean, it's fine. It happens all the time. It happens to everyone. So you shouldn't feel that it's only happening to me.
So you have to be really thick-skinned.
Yeah. You have to be really tough for it. Yes. And I'm ready.
You're ready? Oh, you're already ready?
Yeah.
Give me 5. You are radiating a lot of confidence.
Thank you.
I am taking away a lot of good qualities from you, learning so much from you. You know, ऐसे कहते हैं हमेशा कि बड़े लोग ही बच्चों को कुछ सिखा सकते हैं, बट डेफिनेटली आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल दैट आई एम लर्निंग अ लॉट फ्रॉम Adiba,
Thank you.
What is the best thing that you like in you? One attribute that you're really, really proud of?
I would say my acting skills
Yeah.
and the way I talk, and actually everything. I like my attitude too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We love it too.
Thank
मैं
you.
अपनी favorite हूँ, in short.
Yeah,
Huh?
exactly. Self-love.
All right. Since you want to pursue your career in Bollywood, who is that actor that you want to work with?
I would say Shah Rukh Khan and all the Khans actually.
All the Khans. Oh
Yeah.
my God. One Khan तो हो गया है. Salman Khan तो अभी
Done.
boxes tick.
Checklist.
Checklist हो गया है.
Bucket list.
Bucket list. Yeah. So Shah Rukh and Amir Khan.
Yeah.
Have you ever had chance to meet Shah Rukh Khan?
No, but I think in future I will. Yeah,
I
I'm
love your
manifesting on that.
confidence.
Thank you.
And which actress do you want to work with?
Actress, so I love everyone. I would say Alia Bhatt and Deepika Padukone.
These
Yeah.
two are your favorites?
My favorite.
Oh, wow. Lovely. Okay, tell me one thing. Who is your favorite actor and favorite actress currently?
Currently, I mean, it's always changing. Like
हाँ, so
as-
currently इसलिए पूछा मैंने.
currently, I would say Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone.
हाँ.
Yeah, I love Deepika's style.
Yeah.
Yeah, even acting, she's too good.
She's too good, too sexy, too hot, and such a humble person.
Yeah.
Good-hearted woman she
Good-hearted.
is, Yeah, yeah. But this is so strange, na, that, you were born like 14 years back, right?
Yeah.
And Shah Rukh Khan इस इंडस्ट्री में तकरीबन इतने सालों से हैं, 30 से 35 साल हो गए हैं, और आज भी जो हमारे जेनजीज हैं, और पता नहीं अभी
Even
तो
Gen Alpha.
Gen Alpha, so
I'm Gen Z.
you're Gen Z.
Yeah.
यार teach me all this यार. I mean,
New
मुझे तो लगता है एक दिन
words
मुझे कोर्स करना पड़ेगा,
about Gen Z, Gen Alpha.
Yeah, teach me this. What is this?
So
I am millennial, na? Because
Yeah.
I am 1992 born.
Okay, millennial. Yeah,
Millennial.
correct.
Thank God this I know. And
Then after that, we've got Gen Z. Till
Gen
2000
Z.
Yeah, Gen Z till 2010. Then
Okay.
after that, we've got Gen Alpha.
so you are
Gen Z.
Gen Z.
Yeah.
And Gen Alpha
No.
is your sister.
Yeah, exactly. I'm the last Gen Z.
Okay.
So I'm a mixture of Gen Z and Gen Alpha.
Oh my God, these terminologies, I tell you. I think, how do you balance your schooling and acting commitments?
Well, when I'm not shooting, I go to school regularly. And when I'm shooting, Mama makes sure that I carry my books to shoot.
Acha?
Yeah, so during shoot, I do my studying like I told you. Like I was doing my 9th finals during Sikandar.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we carry my books, physics, mostly science.
Yeah.
Because other subjects, yeah, they are important, but they're easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So school तो जाना पड़ता है रोज, right?
Yeah.
तो
Yeah.
यहाँ पे आप कैसे शूट पे हैं, तो क्या स्कूल से आपको मिलता है लीव?
Ha, they're very supportive.
Yeah?
School's also very supportive.
Supportive?
Yeah. They
Oh,
give
yeah.
me leaves.
They give you leave.
Yeah.
And then mama is there to
Mama
take.
is there. She
And then-
teaches me during breaks.
पर ऐसे क्या ये पॉसिबल है, आप पढ़ पाती हैं सेट्स पे?
हाँ,
हाँ,
पढ़
डिस्ट्रैक्ट
पाती-
नहीं होती?
नहीं, अब तो आदत हो गई है.
हाँ, शुरुआत में होते थे
शुरुआत
डिस्ट्रैक्ट.
में I don't think so. I don't remember.
Okay.
Like it was during first grade.
So means you're a multifaceted girl.
Yeah.
You can do multitask.
Multitasking, sports, education, and
Lovely.
acts.
अच्छा, मैंने सुना है आपने बहुत सारे एड कमर्शियल्स किए हैं.
हाँ.
Tell me something more about it.
So I've done like around 250 ads
Okay.
plus. So yeah.
250 is like, oh my
Oh
God.
my God.
It's huge number, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, then?
Then my first ad was Santoor.
Hmm.
And after that, I've done Good Day Choco Chips with Tamanna Bhatia and Deepika Padukone.
Deepika Padukone.
Yeah, that's why I love her.
You love her. So,
Yeah.
कोई ऐसी memory याद है आपको, कोई trivia from that set?
We ate lots of biscuits.
Did she also ate?
Yeah. Yeah. We had lots of fun moments. Like, there was a scene where she had to make choco chips. So we were eating choco chips between the scenes.
Oh, so you all made also choco
Yeah.
chips.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Then I've done Maggie.
Maggie.
Maggie. I ate so much Maggie during this.
I in the morning ate Maggie and came.
हाँ.
2 minutes में नहीं बनी वैसे.
हाँ, नहीं बनती है. But ठीक है.
हाँ.
It's tasty.
Yeah.
Then I've been part of Kinder Joy.
Kinder Joy.
Kinder Joy. Nykaa.
Nykaa. Oh,
Yeah.
Nykaa के लिए कौन सा?
Kika Active.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a sports fair. So
Okay.
they had launched a teen version. Yeah. And I've done Badilal ice cream. And I got to eat so many ice creams.
Ah. So अभी कौन सा air है आपका commercial?
On air, Badilal ice cream and Maggie.
And Maggie.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Do watch it.
So you're so popular amongst your friends.
Yeah.
Are they jealous of your success?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Huh?
No.
No?
No, they're very friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah, we always have like lots of chat.
Are you enjoying the attention that you're getting from
Yeah, of course.
your friends?
Yeah.
Just
Like being a Leo, we love getting
attention,
attention.
yeah.
Attention seekers.
So when you go to school, all your principal teachers, how would they treat you?
They treat me like a student, but they're all very nice. They're like they help me with the notes.
And
Yeah.
they're so proud of you.
Even the attendance.
And a lot of
Yeah.
people a lot of your friends would want to talk to you, na?
Yeah, everyone's like, hi, how are you? How have you been? I've seen this, I've seen that.
So nice.
Yeah.
इतना काम कर रहे हो आप, बहुत पैसे छाप रहे हो. You're so lucky. इतने कम उम्र में आप इतने पैसे छाप रहे हो. Who takes care of your finances?
Mama.
Mama.
Yeah, my mama.
Oh
She
my.
takes care of everything.
Yeah.
Study, shoots, financial things.
So every time you need money, you ask your mama to give
Yeah.
you. And then where do you splurge?
I spend it in food mostly. I love eating. Like Starbucks.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, cheesecake. I go to cafes.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
What is your favorite cuisine?
I would say, like Indian, I would say butter chicken. I
That
love
you said.
yeah, and biryani. Then if you go for Western, I like pasta, white pasta.
White sauce pasta.
Yeah, and in dessert, I like cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
I can eat it every day.
You're making me drool. After this interview, I'm gonna eat a lot.
Same.
Okay, in Bombay, would you recommend our viewers to go to some restaurant you think is perfect and they should definitely go there? Any recommendation?
Restaurant, I would say actually go to Starbucks if you want coffee. That's my favorite. Yeah, me too. For other things, I keep on going to different cafes, different bakeries to try sweets, desserts.
Is there any recipe that you know and you would want our viewers to know?
I know only Oreo ice cream.
Like a quick recipe.
Yeah, quick recipe.
Tell them.
So you take vanilla ice cream and some Oreos, crush them, and then mix them and then have them. That's it.
Adiba, tell me, who are your role models or who is your role model? Like, I'm giving you options also.
I would say Neeta Ambani.
Okay.
Yeah, I
lovely.
really like her because, she's balancing everything. She's raising the Indian economy. Yeah, and then,
Cricketers.
yeah, she's handling the industry, Bollywood industry,
Yeah.
cricketers, sports, business. Too good.
Multitasking.
woman.
Doing so many things. So you also want to,
Yeah.
handle so many
So
things
many
in life.
things.
And not just do acting, but do several other
Several
things.
other things.
Huh?
Yeah.
Would you like to do charity
Of
for
course.
needy people?
Yes.
Yeah?
Everyone should do that.
Everyone should do
Yeah.
that. Right. Are you closer to pets? Do you like pets?
Yeah, I love pets. I love animals.
You love animals.
Yeah.
Do you have pets?
Yeah, we've got fishes.
Oh, you got fish.
Yeah.
Lovely. So you have aquarium at your place.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Which all fish do you have?
We've got goldfish and koi fish.
I love goldfish with those.
They're very cute.
Yeah, very cute and beautiful also. I love the
Yeah.
color.
It's always like whenever you're bored, you can always look at them. They're like swimming.
Yeah.
It's very attractive.
Yeah. So Adiba, मैं आपसे पूछूं कि अगर आपकी जिंदगी अभी your life कैसी कलर की है तो कौन से कलर पे आप अपने डिस्क्राइब करोगे अपनी जिंदगी को करंटली
I would say rainbow.
रेनबो
Yeah. It's happy, enjoying every moment.
that's a nice
Yeah.
answer.
Fun and adventurous.
Adventurous.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Since you told me that you want to pursue your career in acting, what all roles are you looking forward to? What all
Right.
roles are you looking to do?
Well, I've seen The Princess Diaries.
Hmm.
Like, it's my favorite movie. And I would say, like, if not in Bollywood, but I would, if do something in Hollywood, then I would love to do that.
Hollywood.
Yes.
Oh my God. Are you going to be next Priyanka Chopra Jonas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What are your upcoming projects?
Upcoming, well, I cannot disclose them now, but I'll say some great projects, I would say.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, ads and movies.
Are you also trying to explore OTT?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I am.
Lovely. Quickly tell me, what are your hobbies? What do you
Hobbies.
do apart from acting when you have free time?
Free
What
time.
do you do?
Well, I do skating.
Hmm.
So I've got different types of skates. I've got skateboard, hoverboard, I've got inline skates, roller skates.
हाँ.
Yeah, I love skating. Then I go for swimming with my sister,
Hmm.
and I do gymnastics, capoeira.
Hmm.
I like to get engaged in lots of activities, sports mainly.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. And then we sometimes do painting.
Painting also.
Painting, yeah, it's really good.
Oh my God. Seems like आप सब चीज कर रही हैं. You are striking a balance.
Yeah.
है ना? अच्छा, आप इतना कुछ कर रही हैं, एक्टिंग कर रही हैं, मूवीज कर रही हैं, बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज से मिल रही हैं, क्या कभी आपको लगता है डिस्ट्रैक्ट होती हैं, कभी कोई बबल वर्ल्ड में जाती हैं कि वो मेरी जिंदगी भी ऐसी होगी? यू नो व्हाट,
Delusional.
कोई एक दो फिल्म करने के बाद इंसान कहते हैं ना कि बहक जाता है, सक्सेस थोड़ा सा मिलता है तो थोड़ा वो बौखला जाता है, दिमाग
Yeah.
थोड़ा बौखला जाता है.
Okay.
Are you understand what I'm trying to
Yeah,
tell you?
yeah, yeah.
Do you have your feet grounded?
Yeah. I
Huh?
would say it's my mom and dad.
Yeah?
Yeah, they always teach me like when you get really successful, don't go over the clouds. Like you should be nice and grounded. Like how you've met so many celebrities, how they are
Yeah.
to people. You should be like them.
Lovely. Seems like you're getting good parenting.
Good parenting.
You are being raised really nicely and graciously.
Yeah.
Okay, Adiba, अगर आप एक्ट्रेस नहीं होती या एक्ट्रेस नहीं बनना तो क्या what would there be any plan for you to fall back?
Yeah, I would say commercial pilot.
कमर्शियल पायलट यार, आप तो मतलब कभी वो, मतलब सुपर वुमेन हो यार.
Yes.
Yeah.
Women empowerment.
वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट. Oh
Girl
my
power.
God. So पायलट बनना था.
हाँ.
बन सकते हो.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, we want to see you in acting also.
I
मतलब
will.
do that, but do this also.
Yeah, it's plan B, backup. So that's why I've taken science and maths. Yeah, I've chosen
Oh
science
my
and
God.
maths.
Science and maths.
Yeah,
मुझसे तो नहीं होता था.
I love science and maths.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I chose pilot because I love traveling around
Hmm.
the world.
Last vacation कहाँ किया था?
I would say सिकंदर के set पे. Sometimes mud, sometimes Film City.
Lovely. अच्छा, आपको अगर किसी ने बोला कि आपको वेकेशन पे जाना है और बॉलीवुड में से कोई भी एक एक्टर एक्ट्रेस, आप अपना ग्रुप खुद चूज कर सकते
Oh
हो,
my god.
कौन सा ग्रुप आप चूज करेंगे? यू आर फ्री टू चूज एनी एक्टर, एनी एक्ट्रेस, एनी कॉमेडियन.
Okay. It's a tricky question. Everyone's like too good. Can I pick everyone?
You cannot. You can pick five,
Five.
6.
5, 6. I would say all the Khans.
All the Khans.
Yeah.
You are obsessed with Khans.
Yeah.
And so I think Salman is also obsessed with your cuteness.
Cute.
So all the Khans.
And like from our generation, I really like Rasha.
Rasha.
She's very cute.
Yeah. She is lovely. Is there anything you would like to say our viewers?
Just keep doing what you love.
Yeah. What do you think about this interview? Did you like the way I interviewed you?
Yeah, I loved it. It was very fun.
Ah,
Yeah.
All
High
the
five.
best.
Thank you.
And I wish you all the luck
Thank
for all your
you.
future endeavors.
Thank
Keep
you.
rocking,
I
keep
will.
slaying. Leo girls are rocking.
Leo girls.
Well, this was Adiba Hussain, and we loved her work in Airlift and Sikandar, and I'm giving her best wishes, and Filmy Mantra wishes her all the luck and success. This was me, Nandini Roy, signing off. मिलते हैं किसी और सितारे के साथ जल्द ही. Thank you.
Bye.